St. Clair counties through 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Steele, or 7 miles southwest of Rainbow City, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Gadsden, Rainbow City, Attala, Asheville, Steele, Altoona, Neely Henry Lake, Southside, Whitney Junction, Alabama International Dragway, Gallant, Gadsden Municipal Airport, Horse Pens 40, I-59 rest areas at Anianta, Camp Sumatenga, and Ramsey. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. These are the 4 p.m. detailed observations across the Birmingham listening area on Friday, July 3rd. At Birmingham, it was partly